Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are fine and doing good. I am Muhammad Ali Shah, training coordinator and project engineer from PAK Automotive Trainers and Professional. Today we will discuss about our upcoming training on electric vehicle that will be conducted on 19th March at 6 p.m. by the founder of PAK-ATP, Muhammad Shiraz Malik. He will be joining from Australia, and the topic that will be covered in that presentation would be introduction, history, components of electric vehicle, type of motor that are used in electric vehicles, and configuration of electric vehicles. Registrations are now open. You guys can contact me on my WhatsApp number and get yourself registered in that course, so it will be more beneficial for those who want to learn about electric vehicles. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.